guys, I'm Ralph with Tires, Wheels, Direct. Don't forget to subscribe right below our YouTube channel. I'll be showcasing this Ridler wheel and many more than we sell on Tires, Wheels, Direct. Check this one out. This is the Ridler 606. These come in 17 by 8. 50127 is a bolt pattern, 0 offset, and then the color is going to be the gray with milled spoke and diamond lip. So that's pretty much it. And then the part number on this wheel is 606-7873G. And it'll take it straight to this wheel. I'm going to open this one up. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And see what this bad boy looks like here. Let's check this guy out. So, put this down. Unbox this. And let's see what this bad boy looks like. So, here you have it. So, the Ridler 606 in a 17 by 8. So it's a gunmetal face, split spoke, just a pop-in center cap on the center. The TPMS sensor is compatible, but most of the time these old school cars you just use a rubber valve stem. Conical C lug nuts will go right into this wheel, and then there's a nice size lip. For being a 17 by 8, let me give you the lip size from the face of the wheel to the edge of the barrel. You're 1.5 inches. There you have it. Okay. So back of the wheel, guys, just to be careful on those 4x4s. I know most of the Chevys are all 6-lug 4x4, but if you do have a hub that protrudes, this one's an 83 center bore. So this one doesn't have too much of a space, but let me give you the depth of it. You're at 2.5 inches from where the center cap starts to the end. Okay, there you have it. So 17 by 8, 50127, 0 offset, the Ridler 606. Oh, let me give you the wheel weight. I think most of you asked me for wheel weights. Let's see what this bad boy weighs in at. So 23.5 pounds for this 17-inch wheel. There you have it. If you guys are interested in any of the Ridler styles, feel free to give us a call and then we'll be happy to help. Thank you.